Fundamental constituents of matter. So we know that matter is composed of different types of atoms, and atoms consist of a nucleus and electron cloud. Let's go through and look at these a little closer. So we first have our nucleus, we're going to talk about, and the protons that reside in the nucleus. Now we know protons have a positive charge. We also know that they consist of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. So quarks are kind of something that's that makes up these protons, and they also make up the neutrons in the nucleus. So they might be something you haven't heard of a whole lot. They are definitely higher level physics type things. So our neutrons, we know, are neutral charged. And they're like the opposite of protons. They consist of 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. And then we have our electron cloud, which we know contains our electrons. And then we have a negative 1 charge. And these are like the fundamental charges is what we call them. So we have assigned that like a value of 1. So now let's take a little bit closer look at some of these elementary particles. A quark is considered to be an elementary particle because it is the smallest unit of matter that cannot be further broken down into smaller structures. And then we have 12 different types of elementary particles that we're going to talk about here. And first, those are our quarks. As we mentioned above, they make up a lot of the parts of the atom. And there are 6 different types of quarks. Next we have leptons. And there are 6 different types of leptons. So that's kind of just for your own information thing. You don't really talk about quarks or leptons unless you're in really advanced like college physics maybe. But this is a brief introduction on fundamental constituents of matter.